guys, hope you're all well. Welcome to my channel, Niki DR. Thanks for joining me. This is luscious colour, is a mixture of Pearlex Reflex Violet and Pebeo Copper. Oh no, it's not, it's Decoart, sorry, Decoart Metallic Copper. Gorgeous, isn't it? And this is Pearlex True Copper, another pigment. And next up is another pigment, this little piggy in ore. Another pigment, this is Papermill pigment and it's rose gold. All these colours will be listed in full in the description box. And this is Primary Elements in Interference Violet. And if you see video number 92, you'll see how I mix all my colours. This one is Global Metallic Lavender. And then I'll show you the other base colour I'm putting down on top of my white base, which is Holcroft Carbon Black. Click on the video title, it takes you directly to the description box where everything is listed. Okay, then I'll put some music on now.
All that I've been dreaming about, it is all too close. I got it all, but I'm paralyzed. I don't know I'm standing with you, got it all in my hands, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm walking outside, taking in all the air, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm fading away under the lights, but I figured it out, this is all 'cause of you. 'Cause you take my breath away. All the voices inside my head used to be my only friend, but they go silent when you're around. I hope you stay till the end, but I keep walking right into your arms and keep on falling. I'm falling with you. I'm standing with you, got it all in my hands, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm walking outside, taking in all the air, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm fading away under the lights, but I figured it out, this is all 'cause of you. I'm standing with you, got it all in my hands, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm walking outside, taking in all the air, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm fading away under the lights, but I figured it out, this is all 'cause of you. 'Cause you take my breath away.
I get the vibe that you're distant. There's something about you that's different. I see it in your eyes. Something isn't right. Tell me again what I'm missing. 'Cause you're fading out. We've been here before. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. Don't go through that door. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. It is a lie when you tell me that nothing is wrong, just leave it be. But I see it in your eyes. Something isn't right. Tell me again what I'm missing. 'Cause you're fading out. We've been here before. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. Don't go through that door. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right.
I'm back, guys. I'm so happy. I love this piece. Colours and the lacing and the the black cells, they're just so weird. Look at those, they're like bullseyes. They're just amazing. I just love it. And I do love gold cell activator. So rich and luscious. I was inspired by Jessica Winterstrom Art on Instagram and Facebook. Jessica swipes the same as I do, and she likes negative space too. And lately she's been flicking lines of paint. I mean, Jess does it slightly differently, but I've been inspired by Jess to try sort of my own kind of version of it. And I think it's quite nice to have something, it doesn't take up too much of the negative space, but it just sort of gives something else for the eye to rest on without taking your eye off the main part on the right. Sort of kind of balances it out. This is a 16-inch canvas. I'm not sure if I said before, 16-inch round canvas. So now I think I'll try on a larger one. So thanks so much for being here. I'll put some stills on at the end. Please like, share and subscribe. Stay safe. I'll see you soon.